I'm Maria and this is Sophie, and welcome to my first vlog on this channel. So today we are going to Krakow. It's a city in Poland, like one of the bigger ones, and Sophie came from Germany to visit me. We met in America when we were exchange students, so we're gonna just go and explore and have fun and eat some good vegan food. Got those typical Krakow bagels, and one of them is with sesame seeds and the other one is with poppy seeds. Vegetarian restaurant. It's called Glonojad, and everything is so good here. I've been here before, but it's Sophie's first time, so she's gonna tell you how it is.
I got lasagna,
and I got like those falafel thingies. This one, actually, English is here. Yeah. And then I got this gingerbread cake. They have so many good things, we just couldn't decide. And look how cute it is. So my food just came and it smells so delicious, it looks so delicious. I can't wait to eat it. Sophie's lasagna just came and it looks so delicious. Everything is so good, you guys. If you ever come to Poland, visit this place. Professional Instagrammers. So Sophie got this Fritz Coke that comes from Hamburg, and she's from Hamburg and she came to Poland and she got this. That is so cool. Now we are in this mall shopping and we went to my favorite store, which is this one, Etam, and they have the cutest pajamas ever. Just look at this. Because the pajama I got here 1 month ago is now 30% off, but whatever.
Wait.
No, you can be here. Like, the background is so pretty. So we are so tired. It's 7 p.m. right now and we've been there for 9 hours and we walked 9 kilometers. And now we just...
Almost 10, right? I think almost 10.
Yeah, like almost 10.
Like a lot.
A lot. And you can feel that. Our legs can definitely feel that. And we just got these juices. I have this red fruit juice and so
I got a carrot and orange juice.
Yeah.
And it's really good. Like, seriously, it's so good.
People are looking at us like we're weird, but whatever. We can just pretend we're not from this country. But you're not from this country.
Yes,
so
true. I'm not, but you are.
I am. We're just waiting for our train now and we are still in the mall. And it's just so pretty here. So That was our day.
Oh, and I bought so much stuff. Like, I'm poor now. I'm really broke. I have a big problem.
But she has a lot of pretty clothes right
Yes,
now.
I bought a lot of pretty stuff, but it was too expensive, so I spent too much money today.